Hi everybody! Today we are unboxing the Jetson Orin Nano developer kit. This is a small but powerful computer made by Nvidia, designed to learn and building cool AI projects. Let's open it up. So I just bought it recently, and then to open this you see this like little sticker and just like pull on that. I think the design of opening this is pretty cool. So let's see this. That's a good one. Ooh, this is the Nvidia Orin Jetson Nano. Oh, so in here we have the chip, and it also comes with the instruction book. Let's see, this is for the charging of it, and then some other cables. So let's see this. Gotta be gently when we get it out of here. Let's take a look at this. Okay. This is the Jetson Orin Nano board. It may look small, like palm size. You can just like literally fit it in the palm. It may look small, but it can run advanced AI models. Kind of like a mini version of what self-driving cars and what self-cameras have inside. So the main part of this is the SoC, system on chip, which is below this metal block. This is like the brain of the whole Orin Nano. So inside the chip, there is a CPU and the GPU. The CPU is like the thinking part of it, and the GPU does the heavy lifting job for AI models and data processing. So this can run, it can run computer vision models like object detection or tracking at a high speed. So next, this is the heatsink, this metal block. So when the chip runs fast and gets hot, the metal block absorbs heat, and the fan inside keeps it cool. So next, we're talking about the micro SD slot. So it is like below the metal block, kind of next to the chip. It's like a small little place where you can put the SD card in. So it acts like the Jetson storage. It holds the operating system and your AI programs. So for the Jetson Orin Nano, you have to prepare an SD card yourself, as it is not included in the kit. So here we have two MIPI CSI camera connectors. These are special connectors for cameras, so you can do computer vision projects. There are 22 pin slots. For the people that are familiar with Raspberry Pi, you would know that Raspberry Pi also has these 22 pin slots. These are the USB ports. We have 4 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C ports. So these USB ports let you plug in a mouse, keyboard, webcam, or sensors, which are very helpful in projects. And next, here we have this power port. This round port is where the power adapter plugs in. Compared to Raspberry Pi, this needs a bit more power. So here along the side, we have a 40-pin expansion header. This is the general purpose input or output, or also called the GPIO. These pins let you connect sensors, motors, or other electronics. Perfect for robotic projects. A lot of people compare the Jetson Orin Nano with the Raspberry Pi. So why do people buy this and not the Raspberry Pi? Because this board can process real AI models like image recognition, object detection, or even language models. This can run multiple AI tasks at the same time. It delivers up to 67 TOPS computing power. TOPS stands for trillion operations per second. 67 TOPS is pretty crazy for something this small. So basically, it's like having a mini supercomputer for AI experiments right on your desk. Unlike other computer chips, This Orin Nano kit is an example of Edge AI. Instead of sending data to a cloud server, it processes information right where it's collected. This makes it faster, more private, and runs without the internet. So that's the Jetson Orin Nano developer kit. Tiny but packed with ports and AI power. If you're into robotics, drones, or smart devices, this kit is a great way to start learning how AI works with real hardware. Thanks for watching, and let's get building!